Okay, I know there's noise in the background. It's been a while since I did my last video, and I finished the appeal. It was Herculean to say the least, but it's done. So now I can kind of focus here. To be honest, I don't even remember if I don't think I had the wood. This is really seasoned dry wood. I know that's annoying. In any event, that's going in the firewood shed. You'll notice the roof rafters are off. I have to do the bird's mouth. And I'm caulking the cabin. What I did put up was the back. It still has to be, it's just put off. I cut off the tops just to make things easier. That has to be cut even with here going across, so I can do that, but instead of having 2 feet above it, it makes it more complicated. So anyway, and the reason I did this is you could see that orange stick. I think on the 27th, 28th, I think the 27th, I'm getting 310-pound gallon propane tanks that'll be piggybacked to each other. And they're going right along the back of this, and the roof will come out about, I don't know, 2.5, 3 feet, which will kind of cover it. So that is going bye-bye, and as you can see, that's really tall. The ones that I'm getting are the low profile, half the size up as that, but they go horizontal instead of vertical. So they're gonna go there. I have to dig. I'm waiting until the rain on Tuesday comes. I gotta dig an 18-inch deep trench from this little pole over to that pole, and then fill 6 inches on the bottom with sand. All right, enough. You're probably nuts with the noise. You can see a little bit of the foliage. And until next time.